How to resize image in Canva. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can resize image in Canva. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can directly head over to canva.com and head over to a project, a blank canvas, and then you can just go ahead and add up a picture into your Canva project that you may would like to resize. For example, this picture. So once you place the picture here on this blank canvas, all you need to do is use the circle points in order to resize it. You can stretch it out like this, the corners of the image, and when you do that, you can resize it. Otherwise, you can right click on it and set it as a background as well for the whole canvas to be covered. And once that is done, you can also detach again to resize it. So you can follow the same process in all of the images that you may want to add in Canva and resize. You just need to go ahead and delete it, add up a new picture, and follow the same process in order to resize the image in Canva. So that is how you basically resize images in Canva. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.